Two titans of home security, ADT and Arlo, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, the legacy powerhouse, ADT, pro-installed and integrated with Google Nest. And on the right, the smart, flexible challenger, Arlo, DIY setup with top-notch cameras. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what actually matters for your peace of mind. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's the game plan. I'll be walking you through price, monitoring and security, camera quality, installation and flexibility, smart features, and, oh yeah, what it's really like for customers. So, if you're wondering what matters most to me, just keep these in mind. All right, kicking off with price, because let's be real, that's usually where the debate starts. ADT? You've got equipment bundled into a monthly payment, which can feel easy on the wallet at first. And their pro setup makes sure everything's secure. But here's the catch. Those monthly fees, man, they're noticeably higher, like $28.99 up to $64.99 a month. And gotta say, those 3-year contracts can feel like forever. Plus, you're paying $99 to $199 just for installation. Now, Arlo? This is kind of the breath of fresh air. You just buy what you need up front, stick it up yourself for free, and there are no annoying contracts trapping you. Monthly costs and startup are lower. And honestly, it gives you options. You will pay upfront for gear, and if you want cloud storage, yeah, there's an extra charge. But overall, Arlo's the clear win if you want flexible spending and hate long-term lock-ins. Next up, monitoring and security. ADT. Oh man, this is their strong suit. You get serious professional monitoring with 12 centers backing you up 24/7. When there's an issue, the response is fast and, let's be honest, a lot more reliable. There's backup built in for outages too. Downside? If you were hoping to DIY your own monitoring, no dice. You're locked into their pro system. With Arlo, it's a little more hands-on. You get push notifications fast, and if you want pro monitoring, you can opt in. But it's more like you're kind of the security guard unless you pay more. So if you're away or not glued to your phone, that's something to think about. This round goes to ADT. No question when it comes to monitoring muscle. Camera quality. Now, this is where things get interesting. ADT ships you Google Nest cams, which record in 1080p HDR. Pretty crisp and night vision solid, wide view included. But there's a catch. No local storage. And if you want to upgrade cams, choices are kind of limited. Arlo, though? Dude, if you love video quality, the Pro 5S does 2K HDR. Color night vision, local or cloud storage, more coverage, and models to choose from. The kicker? Some advanced stuff's locked behind a subscription, but the camera tech seriously shines. So, Arlo steals the spotlight for quality and options. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. ADT's been protecting homes since 1874. Like way before anyone ever dreamed of a smartphone, right? Let's talk installation and flexibility. ADT is all about pro service. They walk you through everything, map risks, install it perfectly. No stress, right? But, you can't DIY here. You have to book an installer, wait for their schedule, pay those fees, and, honestly, if you're in a rush, it might bug you. Meanwhile, Arlo is the definition of easy. You just buy, unbox, set up yourself, move stuff anytime, take it down, put it back up. Ideal if you rent or switch homes often. You miss out on expert advice, sure, but the freedom is so nice. Arlo definitely scores higher for flexibility. All right, smart features. Both brands, honestly, are pretty neck and neck here, so if you love tech, you're good either way. ADT syncs up with Google Nest and Alexa, has the ADT Plus app for remote controls, and even offers facial recognition that makes you feel like you're in a spy movie. Downside? You're stuck in the Google ecosystem, so if you're a die-hard Apple HomeKit fan, tough luck. Arlo's got its own tricks. Alexa and Google Assistant support, automation, person detection, zones, scheduling, lots of stuff, but some features live behind a paywall. So this category, they're both shining. Finally, real customer experience. What's it like day to day? ADT gets praise for those professional installs, and lately, their ADT Plus app is actually pretty solid. But let's not sugarcoat it. Those contracts, the slow billing, it frustrates a lot of people. Arlo, on the other hand, is super flexible, user-friendly, and people love not having contracts or being tied down. Swapping gear? Upgrading? Easy. Customer support, though, can be hit or miss depending on where you buy. But overall, Arlo just feels breezier. It's our champ for customer happiness. So, looking at our scores radar, ADT is all about classic security and monitoring strength. But Arlo keeps pulling ahead in price, flexibility, camera tech, and just being easy to live with. You seeing the same pattern I am? Here's my honest take. If you want tried and true protection, super reliable monitoring, and don't mind investing in peace of mind, ADT is still king for homeowners. But if you're more about sleek cameras, saving money, DIY setups, or just hate commitments, Arlo is absolutely your go-to. If this helped you pick the right security system, awesome. Stick around for more smart home deep dives. I'll be back with more ways to make your place safer and smarter.